Hello students, today we are going to start our first chapter of class 5 English, Ice Cream Man. As you all children enjoy ice cream in summers. So the chapter tells the excitement, the joy and the feeling of children when they see the ice cream man in the streets. The poem is also about different type of flavors of ice creams and the scene that is created when ice cream man comes in our area and children cluster around its cart. It is a very joyful scene. So let us start the poem Ice Cream Man. The poem is written by Russell Field. So this is an ice cream man. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So when there are summers in our cities and heat waves flow in streets, the ice cream man comes with his little cart, trundles his little cart in our street, and we feel it enjoyable. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So he has round umbrella over his cart. So beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight. The sight is very joyful to the children because children like to take ice creams from ice cream man. To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. And it is a very joyful sight to see him filling his cones with mounds of cooling brown and white ice creams. When he fills brown and white ice creams in his cones, children feel it very joyful. There are many flavors of ice creams. So different flavors of ice creams are discussed in this stanza. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. So the ice cream man brings many flavors like vanilla, chocolate, strawberries, and he also brings chilly things to drink. So he also brings cold drinks, and his bottles of cold drinks are full of frosty fizz, and the color of these ice creams are green, orange, white, or pink. This is the chocolate flavor ice cream with vanilla. These are different flavored ice creams. This is a multiple flavor ice cream. So different type of ice creams are there. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So the poet compared his cart with a flower bed. As there are many flowers in a flower bed, his cart is also surrounded by many children, and these children are flowers of roses and sweet peas. So his cart is compared with a flower bed having flowers of different children, different type of flowers. So the cart becomes beautiful like a flower bed when children come to the cart and takes different ice creams from there, and children like ice cream so much that they cluster around it like honeybees. Whenever ice cream man comes to the street, children cluster around it to take their favorite ice creams like honeybees. So the ice cream man's cart is compared with flower bed, and the clustering of the children is compared with honeybees. So this is the poem, a very beautiful poem about ice cream and the feeling of children about ice cream, and beauty of ice cream cart, the scene of ice cream cart when children cluster around it. Different type of flavors are also discussed in it. So let us discuss some new words from the poem. So children, first word is blaze, second is trundling, then cluster, frosty fizz, mounds. So first of all, we will know the meaning of blaze. Blaze means bright flame or fire. Frosty fizz, chilled drink making a hissing bubbling sound. Hissing or bubbling sound. Children, whenever we open any cold drink bottle, there we can hear a sound of hissing or bubbling. So this sound is known as frosty fizz. Next word is trundling. Trundling means moving on small broad wheels. Whenever a vehicle moves on small and broad wheels, its movement is known as trundling. Next is mounds. Mounds means heap. When we put together many things one above the other, then it makes a heap or a pile, and this type of heap and pile is known as mound. So these are different mounds or piles. Cluster means gather around. Group of similar things. When a group of similar type of things group together, that is known as a cluster. Now there are many activities that are specifically related to a season, and we have discussed summer season in the poem. So let us discuss some summer activities. So first is swimming. We like swimming in summers. Next is cycling. We like cycling also during summers. Next is playing. You like to play in the garden, in playground during summers to keep yourself cool. Swinging. We like to swing in parks during summer season. It gives us soothing. Picnic. We like to go to picnic during summer seasons, to cool places, to green places, make ourselves cool. Sitting under umbrella. We like to sit under umbrella to escape from sunlight. We like to go to garden because these trees and plants give us very cool feeling. When we sit under a tree or a plant, we feel relaxed, we feel cool. So we go to garden in summers. Let us discuss some winter activities also. First is skiing in snow, then celebrating Christmas, enjoying Christmas because Christmas comes in winter season. Knitting. You must have seen your mother or your grandmother knitting your sweaters, your mufflers, your gloves, or your cap in winters. We like to drink coffee and tea during winters. So now let us discuss some rhyming words from the poem. Rhyming words are the words which have same sound at the end, like heat, street, hard, yard, blows, goes, label, table. Okay, then sky, my, obey, play, race, face. So these are the rhyming words from the poem. Now we have discussed different type of flavors in the poem, like vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. These are various flavors you like. So many flavors are also there, like black currant and butterscotch. So many flavors of ice cream, and you children like to have different flavors of ice creams. You know many flavors of ice cream. These are a few flavors that are discussed in this poem: vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. Thank you. So students, this was the lesson, Ice Cream Man. I think you have enjoyed the lesson and the activities from the lesson.